China's presence in Africa is unmistakable. Over the past few decades, China has significantly increased its footprint on the African continent, becoming one of its most influential partners. This relationship is built on a foundation of mutual benefit and shared goals. Massive infrastructure projects dot the landscape, transforming the physical and economic terrain of many African nations. These projects are not just about building roads and bridges, they are about creating pathways to prosperity and development. From railways and highways to ports and dams, China's involvement is evident in nearly every sector. These projects are designed to improve connectivity, facilitate trade, and boost local economies. This modern-day Silk Road initiative, known as the Belt and Road Initiative, is transforming the continent at an unprecedented pace. It aims to create a vast network of trade routes that link China with Africa and beyond, fostering economic growth and cooperation. China's investment in Africa has skyrocketed in recent decades. Billions of dollars have been poured into various sectors, including mining, manufacturing, and transportation. This influx of capital is not only building infrastructure but also creating jobs and stimulating local economies. This surge in funding is reshaping African economies and redefining the relationship between China and the continent. Markets are bustling with activity, and new facilities are springing up in cities across Africa, symbolizing a new era of growth and development. The scale of these projects is vast, stretching across national borders and connecting previously isolated regions. These new railways and highways are not just physical structures, they are lifelines that bring communities closer together and open up new opportunities for trade and interaction. China's engagement in Africa extends beyond infrastructure. It encompasses trade, investment, and cultural exchange. Business meetings and cultural festivals highlight the deepening ties between the two regions, fostering mutual understanding and respect. It encompasses trade, investment, and cultural exchange. Container ships arriving at African ports symbolize the growing trade links, while Chinese-funded schools and hospitals in African communities reflect a commitment to social development and human capital. This multifaceted approach highlights China's long-term vision for its partnership with Africa. Diplomatic meetings and joint ventures underscore a relationship that is built on cooperation and mutual benefit, promising a future of shared prosperity and growth. Ethiopia, a landlocked nation in East Africa, exemplifies the transformative power of China's infrastructure investments. This country, known for its rich history and diverse cultures, is now making headlines for its rapid modernization and economic growth. The catalyst for this transformation is the Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway, a project that has redefined Ethiopia's connectivity with the world. The Addis Ababa-Djibouti Railway, a shining example of Sino-African cooperation, has revolutionized Ethiopia's access to global trade. This modern railway line, built with Chinese expertise and funding, is a testament to the strong partnership between the two nations. It has opened up new avenues for commerce, enabling Ethiopia to export its goods more efficiently and import essential commodities with ease. This 750-kilometer electric railway line connects Addis Ababa, Ethiopia's capital, to the port of Djibouti, a crucial gateway to international shipping lanes. The railway traverses diverse landscapes, from the bustling urban centers to the serene countryside, showcasing the beauty and potential of Ethiopia. The port of Djibouti, strategically located on the Red Sea, serves as a vital link for Ethiopia's trade with the rest of the world. Completed in 2016, the railway has significantly reduced travel time and transportation costs. What once took days by road can now be accomplished in a matter of hours by train. This efficiency has not only benefited businesses, but also improved the daily lives of ordinary Ethiopians, making travel more accessible and affordable. The impact on Ethiopia's economy has been profound, boosting trade and attracting foreign investment. Markets are now more vibrant, with a greater variety of goods available to consumers. The railway has also made Ethiopia a more attractive destination for international investors, who see the potential for growth in this rapidly developing nation. The railway is a symbol of Ethiopia's ambition to become a manufacturing hub in East Africa. With improved logistics and transportation infrastructure, the country is poised to enhance its industrial capabilities. Factories and industrial parks are springing up, creating jobs and fostering economic development. Ethiopia's railway revolution is not just about trains, it's about a brighter future for the entire nation. Kenya's Mombasa port, a vital hub for East African trade, has undergone a dramatic transformation thanks to Chinese investment. The expansion of the port, a multi-billion-dollar project, has significantly increased its capacity and efficiency. New terminals, cranes, and handling equipment have modernized the port's operations. This modernization has positioned Mombasa as a leading port in the region, capable of handling larger vessels and increased cargo volumes. The expansion has created jobs and boosted economic activity in Mombasa and beyond. The port's transformation is a testament to the potential of Chinese investment to drive economic growth in Africa. The influx of Chinese investment in Africa has spurred job creation and economic opportunities. Large-scale infrastructure projects such as railways, ports, and highways require a significant workforce. Chinese companies operating in Africa often employ local workers, providing them with valuable skills and experience. The construction of these projects also stimulates demand for local goods and services. From construction materials to catering and transportation, local businesses benefit from the economic activity generated by Chinese projects. This multiplier effect extends throughout local communities, creating a ripple effect of economic growth. Economic growth and debt traps, weighing the benefits and risks. China's infrastructure investments have undoubtedly contributed to economic growth in Africa. These investments have led to the construction of roads, bridges, and railways, which are essential for the continent's development. The presence of modern infrastructure has not only improved connectivity within African countries, but also enhanced their integration into the global economy. Improved infrastructure facilitates trade, reduces transportation costs, and attracts foreign investment. Ports and highways are now more efficient, allowing goods to move faster and more reliably. This efficiency is crucial for businesses looking to expand their operations and for new enterprises aiming to enter the market. These factors can create a virtuous cycle of economic development. As infrastructure improves, it stimulates economic activities, leading to job creation and higher incomes. This, in turn, increases consumer spending and further drives economic growth. However, concerns have been raised about the potential for African nations to fall into debt traps. The significant loans required to finance these large-scale projects can become a burden if not managed properly. There is a risk that countries may struggle to meet their debt obligations, leading to financial instability, as some African countries have taken on significant loans from China to finance these projects. The terms and conditions of these loans are critical. High interest rates and short repayment periods can exacerbate the debt burden, making it difficult for countries to sustain their economic growth. Questions arise about their ability to repay these debts. The fear is that if countries default on their loans, they may have to cede control of key assets or resources to their creditors, which can undermine their sovereignty and economic independence. Careful planning, transparent financing agreements, and responsible debt management are crucial to mitigate these risks. By ensuring that loan agreements are fair and sustainable, and by implementing robust financial oversight, African nations can harness the benefits of infrastructure development while safeguarding their economic future. Political influence. China's strategic partnerships in Africa. China's growing presence in Africa has not gone unnoticed on the geopolitical stage. Some observers view China's engagement as a strategic move to secure access to resources, expand its influence, and counter Western dominance. China's no-strings-attached approach to investment, which often bypasses concerns about governance and human rights, has also drawn criticism. African nations, for their part, see China as a valuable partner in their development journey, offering an alternative to traditional Western donors. Environmental impact, balancing development with sustainability. The rapid pace of development in Africa, fueled in part by Chinese investment, has raised concerns about its environmental impact. Large-scale infrastructure projects can have significant consequences for ecosystems, wildlife, and natural resources. It is crucial for both China and African nations to prioritize sustainable development practices. This includes conducting thorough environmental impact assessments, implementing mitigation measures, and adopting environmentally friendly technologies. Balancing economic growth with environmental protection is essential for Africa's long-term well-being. Voices from the ground. Local perspectives on Chinese investments. The impact of China's presence in Africa is multifaceted and often subject to differing perspectives. While some local communities welcome the economic opportunities and infrastructure improvements, Others express concerns about land displacement, environmental degradation, and the influx of Chinese workers. It is crucial to listen to the voices of those most affected by these projects and to ensure that their concerns are addressed. Dialogue, transparency, and community engagement are essential for fostering mutually beneficial partnerships. A new era of cooperation, shaping the future of Africa. China's engagement in Africa has ushered in a new era of cooperation and development. As Africa continues to grow and its infrastructure needs expand, Chinese investment is likely to remain a significant factor. The key to a successful and sustainable partnership lies in ensuring that these investments are mutually beneficial, transparent, and aligned with the long-term development goals of African nations. By working together, China and Africa have the opportunity to shape a future where prosperity and development are shared by all.